Describe a time when you encouraged a person to do something they didn't want to do. Describe a time when you encouraged a person to do something they didn't want to do. Please say who he or she is, what did you encourage him or her to do, how did he or she react to it, and explain why you encouraged him or her to do it. In our lives, most often we find that people really feel desperate. They are so disappointed in their lives, and it seems that they have no ways left. So there was also a such occasion when one of my nephews refused to continue his when he failed in his intermediate exam. And I knew that he was a very good student, and he showed so much good performance in his studies, and he got A plus marks in his secondary school certificate exam. So, unfortunately, he couldn't focus on his studies in in his HSSC exam, in his intermediate exam, as he was suffering from typhoid fever right during the exams. So he couldn't perform well, and he was so disappointed that he decided not to continue his studies. When I came to know of this, I was really sad too, because all the members of our family tried their level best to convince him to continue his studies. But he was not paying attention to anyone's advice. So finally, when I heard of it, I went to him and I encouraged him, and I gave him the example of so many great men who didn't perform well in the first instance. But later on, I also gave him the example of King Bruce of Scotland, the way he failed 9 times, and the 10th time he succeeded and he defeated his enemies. So finally, in the beginning, he did not, he was so reluctant. He was not paying attention to my advice. But the way I gave him the strong arguments, so he accepted my advice, and he willingly decided to restart his studies. In and this is not quite a unique thing. There have been several examples, and also there are several examples in our day-to-day lives when we find a time comes when a person really feels that he has nothing left, that to him life seems to be quite dull and drab, and he seems failure everywhere. So he can only see the dark side of everything. So I think if a person, if he has a good advisor who can advise him very well according to his psyche, according to the right way, I think we can save such kind of people, and we can never such types of brilliant students go waste away. Talk about something that you lost. Please say what was it, where did you lose it, and how did you feel about it? In our day to day lives, we lose so many things, as people most often forget their things, and sometimes they may lose their things that are so precious to them. So, there was also such one instance when I lost my diary. And when I lost that diary, I was so sad. And I was traveling to Lahore, and I was accompanied by my good friends, and we stayed twice to thrice places. in our way to Lahore. And I don't know where I forgot that diary or where I lost that diary. As that diary was so precious to me, it had a lot of my memories, as I am in habit of writing a diary. So I had written a lot of events of my life, and some of them were so endear to me. As I was, I am still though, I am in habit of reading about my past memories. So whenever I used to read any page or any story of some specific day, so through the diary, through the reading of the diary, I felt I was again on that very day, and as if I was doing all those things written in the diary in real, and I used to feel myself part of it. As we know, childhood is a golden period of man's life. So I had I had been writing that diary since my childhood. So I had so many stories of my childhood. I had written so about so many events of my childhood. As we know, there is no second to your childhood. So, nor a person can become a child the second time. But through that diary, it was quite possible for me to become a child the second time. So, I think it was irreparable damage. It was an irreparable loss. Talk about a garden that you have visited and liked. यानी उस बाग के बारे में बयान कीजिए जो कि आपने विजिट किया और आपने उसे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद किया था कि व्हाट एंड वेयर इज इट, कि उसने कहा है कि वो है कहाँ पे, उसने फिर प्रेजेंट से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछे। व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पीपल आर विजिटिंग देयर, कि वहाँ किस किस्म के लोग विजिट करते हैं। एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ आर देयर, कि लोग किस किस्म की एक्टिविटीज़ वहाँ पे करते हैं। In my life, I have visited so many gardens, but the garden that I really love to visit, is XYZ Garden. It is located on Main Road, and I visited it 2 months ago. And I visited it with a group of people, and we actually arranged a picnic party, and we decided to celebrate this picnic party in XYZ Park because it is so beautiful. It has so many sitting places, its security is very good, and it has been decorated with flower beds. It also has a walking track where people do walk, especially in the morning time and in the evening time. It is full of people, and all kinds of people visit it, the old, the young, and the adult. So if you want to visit it, you should visit it at the daytime. if you are the lovers of if you are the lover of solitude or quietness, because at the daytime it is quiet, so you really feel relaxed. And another good thing about this garden is that it also has a cooking place. The people who are the lovers of cooking, they may also do cooking there, as it adds to their adventure. And those who can't cook, there is also a restaurant where they can enjoy almost all kinds of foods. So I think though it has some entry fee, and its entry fee is 50 rupees. But the entry fee is only for the singles, whereas for the families there is no entry fee. So I love this garden, and whosoever wants to visit any gardens or whosoever plans to visit some garden, I would recommend him or her to visit XYZ garden because it is worth seeing place. तो मैंने कोशिश की कि आपके साथ ये क्यू कार्ड शेयर करूं। इसमें देखें मैंने गार्डन बयान किया, मैंने विज़िट किया, फिर आगे मैंने बयान किया कहाँ है और उसमें क्या है, किस किस्म के लोग वहाँ विज़िट करते हैं, किस्म किस्म की एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं। तो मैंने कोशिश की कि वो सारी चीज़ें आपके साथ शेयर करूं। तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको ये मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी और आपके लिए ये काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगी। तो अगेन मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि मेरे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर, जो मेरी वीडियोज़ हैं उनको शेयर करें, और जो बेल आइकन है इसको काइंडली प्रेस करें। इससे ये होगा कि मेरी हर आने वाली वीडियो के बारे में आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा। तो अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।